In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Netflix on your PC. If you want to start watching Netflix on your PC or your laptops, then you can easily download the desktop version of Netflix. So to find the desktop version of Netflix, you just open up your Microsoft stores. The way that you do it is just click on the search bar on the bottom and just search for Microsoft Store. After you do that, the results will open up. Just click on this application and it's going to open up your Microsoft Store. Once you do, on the top you'll see a search bar. Just click on the search bar and search for Netflix. Once you do, you'll see the app of Netflix being displayed. You just click on the get option right here. Once you do, the Netflix application will start to download for your desktop. Once the download is complete, you'll see an open button. You can just click on it and the Netflix application will start on your desktop. Now you just need to sign in to your Netflix account and you can now start watching Netflix on your desktops. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today's video and I'll see you in the next one.